Hello, this is Levi with Whitaker Roofing. We're doing an attempted repair for Mr. Fabien. This is 9029 Aldbury Drive in Locust Grove.
Let me shingle. Oh, one's above it, look good. There we go. Gosh, just kind of tore there and there. Boy, I brought a couple shingles. Let me see if these will let loose up here. Man, they're ripping. That's ripping. Now I just tried gently as I could. I was doing that there too.
You
I
can
don't
see
think we go any further.
the shingles are not pliable. We cannot replace.
I just stuck it under there and tried to just.
Yeah, we cannot replace this shingle without damaging all the shingles around it. We'll try again somewhere else on the roof, but this is not successful. Okay.